Super Fight Series 5. Aman Ali and Omega Lalramdina. Super Featherweight. Aman Ali, 22 years of age, 176.6 centimeter height, 58.95 kg, 158.4. His reach, his boxing style is and stance orthodox. Omega Lalramdina, 23 years of age, 170.6 centimeter height, 58.93 kilogram, 180 centimeter reach, and the stance is orthodox.
These are the official duty for bout number 8. Judge number 1, Lalmal Soma. Judge number 2, Lal Sanhima. Judge number 3, Zak Shiva Lama. Referee, Chongming Moana. Bout number 8 of Battle in Mizoram Super Fighter Series number 5. Super Featherweight Division. Introducing first from Guwahati, Assam. Blue corner, Aman Ali.
Oh, Aman Ali hi Guwahati Assam boxer ni in kumsom di pani ani hianin record professional record hianin koi khat achak he to ani.
And his opponent from Aizawl, Mizoram, ladies and gentlemen, red corner, Omega Lalramdina.
Oh, Aman Ali tumpuy to Omega Lalramdina hi red corner ni in Mizoram Mizo boxer niya kumsom ni pathum ani hian professional fight void hum fight to in chaklo alanay lawa jopo alanay lawa ni zanina fight munam tak ani panihan meron chop chua sakha kan ringa kan base ya ani panihi in ne tok le turanga ngayon ni. Zanina hian knockout kan mule mayang em void hum knockout kan motoa tuwang chonin zanina hian knockout kan mule em nge ni ai nin draw le mai don nge ni bakhata chak jok don sia thiam har khop mai an body in ang don sia.
Blue corner, Manali's
For bout number
Assam
8
Guwahati.
in the Super Featherweight Division. Introducing first from Guwahati, Assam, at the age of 22 and standing 176.6 centimeter with a professional record of 1 win and 0 losses. Ladies and gentlemen, blue corner, Aman Ali. And his opponent, at the age of 23 and standing at 170.6 centimeter, weighing 58.967 kilogram, with a professional record of 3 win and 0 losses. From Aizawl, Mizoram, red corner, Omega Lalramdina.
Aman Ali, blue corner, is coming from Assam Guwahati, a super featherweight division. His weight is 58.67 kg and 22 years of age. His height is 176.6 centimeter. His professional records is 1 win, no losses and no draw.
Round 1.
His waist is 170 centimeter and both stance is orthodox. And his opponent, Omega Lalramdina from Mizoram, super featherweight. He is 58.96 kilogram, 23 years of age, and his height is 170.6 centimeter. His professional record is 3 win, no losses, no draw. His reach is 180 centimeter and his stance is orthodox. Boxing is a skillful game and they need attack and sometimes they need defense. Jab, hook, uppercut, and 1-2. All this combination is used for one match. Not only one match. Every minute, every second, they need to be ready. So the boxers need to all combinations to use. And fitness is good and good endurance also. Boxing is too hard for in very difficult and too hard for all the boxers. But boxers need all combinations that look easily for their match. So Aman Ali is a major record. Is good in state championship. He's good in amateur, but he is not professional match much. He is only one match, one win, no losses, no draw. Omega Lalramdina also very good in amateur boxing. He has a lot of title in state championship and LPS Pro Fight. His professional record, we already say that 3 win, no loss, and no draw. Tonight, we have a lot of bout this match before, and after this match, we have 6 bout left. Tonight is a big day for boxing in Mizoram. We see many talent here in this fight series. We give a thanks to Grassroot Boxing Promotions and Crown Boxing Promotions, including Sete Boxing Promotions. This match, before the match, we already told that 9 bouts were left. That was including very popular boxer in Mizoram, not only in Mizoram, all over India. Dalin Sanga, Lalvanalom Puya Mizoram Chana, and foreign player Nastaran Fatih, United Arab Emirates.
Seconds near the ring. Round 2.
Payam, honorary founder, Crown Boxing Promotions, Dubai, got a message from all the boxers in Mizoram. We strongly believe that India has the potential to become one of the leading boxing nations in Asia. The country has a deep pool of talent and audience that truly connect with the spirit of the sport. Regions like Mizoram already have the discipline, skills, and hunger that define real fighter, which is the investing here is more than just supporting an event. Investing in the future of Indian boxing Our goal is to work with partners like Grassroot Boxing to build long-term structure and professional system that give athletes proper guidance, exposure, and financial stability. With consistency and belief, India and Mizoram in particular can soon be recognized on the world stage of professional boxing. This is a message from PM Honorary Founder Crown Boxing Promotions, Dubai. Round cut na ania Oman Ali. He blue ania Omega Lalramdina red ania ano soy to ang khan Omega Lalramdina hi Mizoram chunga boxer thani kan hreto LPS profile ta po rupi tak tak ron khel to thin ania din sanga ning khan bantamweight khan an khel dun china dan din sanga laka title fight te po an nei china maros din sang laka ne na chang zolova amai hi tuna hian super featherweight lama akal ta chiandun ania din sang nen weight kata om duna hin nek dun ngai reng kha boy thla ve bok ni chiandun a chuan pakhat zo weight anti dang nam te kha kha vela pon lo ti phung thin ani professional boxing hi elai tol chunga te voitam kan lo mu ve ta amai chartenen tlemin dang lam deu stretch china doangin ranga punama invite bon ang kha om to lawa thiam sap tak tak in zir chiang taka in nek ani to chena wanghen a har sale zwal chhirani round khat na zo der mai nek mang lawin Mustafa Kamal, founder of Grassroot Boxing Promotions. A message for Mizo people. We've seen firsthand the raw talent and determination that exists here. We know that with the right support, exposure, and opportunity, Mizoram can produce many more stars who will represent India on a big stage. Instead of waiting for these fighters to go outside the state of chase opportunities, we decide to bring those opportunities to their home ground. Then Mizoram is part of our ongoing effort to strengthen professional boxing in India by supporting regions that already have a strong foundation and passionate audience. Our aim is simple: to give the boxers that platform they deserve and to help Mizoram become a key hub for
Round 3
in the country.
Oh, tunai in nek kan en munam takan en lai mek hi Aman Ali blue corner le Omega Lalramdina ten ya Aman Ali hi kumsom ni pani mi ni in Omega Lalramdina hi kumsom ni pathum mi ani oh an mel en hianin an thiam du ni ti hi langkop mai ki Aman Ali te hi rinain ati thei riau mai Omega hian an knock out thengem Aman Ali hian an knock out thengem oh an vel o zam lo na samay man hi oh chuti rol chon Omega hianin game hi goal deuh dap hian an suai lu ta chuti rol chonin Aman Ali hianin rik deuh ngal pop tum ni om tak hianin e amil dan vel tang po hian mo amo na mani an pian han en sim kianin an mani ki an perfect fang maya thau chia hi omlo ni an mani bi ka hemo thau chia hi omlo ni oh 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 dong zeu dong le zeu oh 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 pele zeu thina an game film khur khop maya an dana hian tu zong e chak tur sia thiam le har khop mai round te le tama in le thang na chance te po le tama chuwang chuanin oh oh Omega hena ngam khop maya chuti rol chuanin Aman Ali hianin tlo matum lo sim ani ka tlom don lo ti ril rupu hian oh Aman Ali hi asa hi thareu ani perfect fang maya ma hi a fit le ti hi hriat ni hmel en pawh hin maw tuna lan dan hi chuanin an le fim khur dun khop mai omega nan nora maro chu duang ni ti thei bik lo atom pui hi aman ali ni tlat aduang ni ti thei bik lo du to ka hanin nek hi chu an melen hi chu an cha ka ni maro chu boxing ai chun hetiang thleng tur chun fit le fit a phei chun a thei mai lo ni omega na pe a nor chun jom ngala tuna khan omega tal buai che pinalanga amaro chu speed wang te poha ni deuin alang ani tuna hianin sponsorship ka han share chuak lenga and again we like to express our help gratitude to our extreme sponsors. Their support has been instrumental in making this professional boxing event a success. Their contribution and appreciate their trust in our vision. Thank you to our value sponsors for believing in us. Grassroot Boxing Promotion, Crown Boxing Promotion, LPS Vision, Indian Boxing Council, USA Universal, www, PM, honorary.com, and
Seconds.
Auto,
Clear the ring.
Academy, and I Do Play.
Round 4.
Round Lina in Noi Vele Dona. Tunge chak jok don sia thiam le har khop mai mi pui pon tam chak le mai hei tle ta tuar mai LPS Arena thom aring chho zel don ni te pona langani rinain aman ali te hi ati thei riau maya Mizoram ania enge mi pui fans te wang ti ang vel mai me zam kha tum lo ni omega
ama khu a pian ren khu dik ange cher angan lang ma se a phiar khu nei ve tla ni
1 2 te kha a fit ani ti hi alang chiang reng mai ni
fuat kan tiang mi zo na fuat kan tiang khan nei ve tlat me ya
than he man ngai dun khop maya chuti rol chuan chiang taka in nek ero mu tur awanga chuti rol chuan in fit kan soi to ang khan in nek fu mai te har to a wait in anga phei chuan in a boi thak thina to ni than hem ngai taka anin nek de mol kha ngai ni point and score nem kha ngai dona vai thel thuak thina omega hian amana hin to matum reng lo ni Mizoram chung apo ni se katom don lo ti ril ru hi apu deu ning ka sia alandana hian
azam lo khop mai azam lo khop mai ti kha chong ka moi lo ni lo ta sela khoi mun apo ni se a boxer sa ni chuan ring chunga chuan khoi ive sa apo ni sela nan khel mo mai tur ni azam siat angkha chul lo wa hei hi mi tam tak sportsman tam tak lo tal boy to na ni azam te mani home ground ni lova an nge han zam mai ang chi te kha lom thina tun ma te pon khatiang kha tuna hen Mizo te pon ma kan son zela ni
ani tham lo le mai omega anek chiang lo tuk che ti ni om ta khan thar vela chuti rol chun amana hian mi nek fu lo ti ni om ta hian pan sia maya ani suak chel ropui ve tu na mi kha chu
anin nia chiang lu toka in khoyen tum ve ve duangin anin khoi thei lo ve ani ber maya so de sei nu nia abok sports a hian ani na anga hei training na kan ti ang zong hi me chan lan tir hi har to thina skills tam tak te po hi ataka han man lei thei lo hi om ve thin ni
omega khan tu na norme ka 1 2 1 2 3 4
adu tok ma lu tuk de ni omega khan ti lui zeu se la chuan hun om asin mole
amana hi a fit khop mai round zo le ta
I like to see him riding moving like a hurricane. I like to see him up and down, it's making me insane. The thousand surprising girl, you're all that. And the way you roll that thing, you got me so wet. Jamie, hey, split your shirt right here, staring at you like she wanna get low. She turn like a disco ball, but you think she fit, moving like she's ready to blow. Oh, ready to go. Damn right, I'm a rock it on the dance floor, looking like I'm a rock star. The way I make it go, I'ma play the show like a string of a guitar. I'm used to like the drum set, cause this is dropping on the floor. With a black cherry born already here. With my move back, I'm really fast. God, look at mom, make a mom drop that.
Seconds. Clear the ring. Round 5.
round nga na han tran le a tran hem ngai takin ai nek le thura ngai la tuna din muna hi chuanin anin ne to khop meya kan soi tong khan tuna in nek te hi blue corner Aman Ali ni in red corner Omega Lalramdina ni a Aman Ali hi gauhati sam boxer ani a tin Omega Lalramdina hi aizol Mizoram ani ai noi mi mai
ama mi ka round li zela ne tun chuma chang hen round ruk ron khel
round kha atam tel me ya tin a munam chho tel bok tero
munam chho tel a boxer tha ama mi te an thalo tin ani lovin a tha jok le experience lam ne jok te hanin nan chho zel do na so chan a munam tel do na ni
an mel an hin chaw mel ala lang tlat lo ni
Omega khan zep phu zau mai
dong te u zau mai
zep pi man tang kai ngai khopa nge clear pan san ti fu lei thei lo tam tak om wangin zep man thiam ngai ni
kha chu tuk fu tlat mai
Omega khan real ru chon angam tul mai na langa experience lo nei jok boka 3 win no loss no draw nia Aman Ali hi 1 win no one no draw no loss yes ani bokani kan sai sual nok mai ni
sai sual nok ngai a suala om lo hi chuan tero a tha om tak the lo a tian ni lo ni Omega hian ril ru nei deuin an neka toila ma te chuk deu mol mai chuti rual chuan an nek fu lutuk thei bik lova Amana hi ga thi nei thave tlat zela aduang hina ti thei bik lo ni Omega hian han sop phi chu cha ka ni ati han eni chuanin amaro chu atum pui hi kan soi tong khan Aman Ali ani tlat a thatlat
go hati tang ron kalania endurance sa sang anei tha em ni ti chianga nek po hi adol ani soccer proof viau mai
Mizoram hen a thonin karon kal lo ati ni mo
nya career
chak turin karon kal ati ni
career ti chetur khoboron kal du tur khani lo shim buka
an che thei lo shim phụ lệ dậu China phụ lệ dậu China ama rõ chú nó tắc hẳn tía xoay tụt khát chôn ni lâu ni à hú nó mà nhàng round ngã na dậu lệ đẹp mày sponsorship hẳn share chuộc lệ lokila Zanina boxing monom taki en the na hi Grassroot Boxing Promotion Crown Boxing Promotion LPS Vision Indian Boxing Council USA Universal www.pmhonorary.com Iconoto Sete Boxing Academy tele I do play te anni mi puyan ron kal thanem to khop maya hei an khat deu nual to a amaro chu TV lama live endu tan po I do play lama khan
clear the ring
thei reng ani ti kha se thar leila a apps la nei lo te point I do play kha han install zung ila ta tang khan in mu nam tak te chu mi ba ka chuan
Round 6.
live event chi sang sang te po kha an live thin ani ti kha se thar leila I do play in la install vek don ya in nek lama kal le taila round ruk na tuna hian an khel le me ka tuna in nek ta hi ngan soi tong khan Aman Ali blue corner le Omega Lalramdina red corner te an ni
Omega hian banan phar kola angamani lau zo lau kho mai maro chu du thu samin an ni pon nek thei bik lova chu di ro chon Aman Ali ki amit ko ki pong amit ko ding lampang ki pong na sa to riong maya ki khian a khom mu ati boy chuan harsana thlen thei ta ni ki en mei po khena sia ta ni ong long to maya khom mu ti boy thei ta ni ki
maro chu Aman Ali hianin karon kalna te la Mizoram hianin tlom tur mai meng karong kal lo ti ni chuang chuanin tlom hi tum lo ani mo
thona rong kal lo pe chon kong chiat zia de bo ron sheve mei thein
kong chiat zia te po haron mai ve mai theya fit hi chuan fit ani game chang kang to an fit tra kan boxer te amunom em to ni enaman la amuna en tele tv lama tang lei te point amunoma tin boxing ngai na heti za zani na te po an han kal khom le te po hian Mizo ten boxing kan ngai nat zia India ramine kan ngai nat zia te po lang chauzel in alang ani
hun tam om le tolova tundin mona lan dan chon Omega hi chon score thazok ni chuan alanga thiam na shrimshim pot lem chuan experience lo nei zok nen te ang anek po hi ana hret zok bo ka tia Oman Ali ero fitness a tra endurance po a tra fit ringot hi endurance tra ni le si lo ba fitness chabok endurance chabok hi nek khluk thei lo te hi an nek khluk mai don an ngai an nek khluk thei lo te han boxer chen khati an boi ve tlat zel ni khati ang kha endurance ha poimo na pakhat ani
tuna landa na hi chuan la film khurdun khop maya Omega hian knockout thi at tum de unge mani ron nek le pop thina maro chu ti thei big lo tham lo hle mai khoi tlak nek tlak ki om lo ti ni om tak khanin an acting ver khan bei vela Omega khanin amaro chu kan soi tong khanin aduai du big lawa ti khanin round ruk chu an zo fel le ta der mai round ruk na chu kan zo fel le ta der mai
tuna tang relo tia result kan ngai thak chun zom dona result kan ngai thak zo ai hian break toy te kan nei dona sun na te kan nei dona min pe en clear tu ten min shet sakturin kan ngen cheu ni zaina tan hian Bout riat kan en zauta Bout
sorry
Bout sorry ala om muram chho do ni
Bout le om tura hianin kan ha le mai boxer tha lal din sang ate din the animal dia in ko vanalom puya te f zoram chana te din chuba ka chuanin Lal Than Lian Junior te si Lalram fela lal foi luanga ti te po kan la fudona ni hunom he dona ni dona tang rei lo te hian result kan se thei dona ai amuna te po mi poyon tam to khop maya ron kal thei lo te tan po I do play lama khanen life in en thei reng ani
After an electrifying 6 rounds of boxing, these are the points given by the judges. Judge number 1, 58-56. Judge number 2, 59-55. Judge number 3, 59-55. And the winner by unanimous decision is red corner, Omega Lalramdina!
Tuna impact mo nom takkan Enzo taka khan Omega Lalramdina at saka left feet chakop mai in for zak theme an fit trani di cho lang ani Omega kan lom puya chuti rual chon Aman Ali kan tor puya ro pui taka ron comeback le turin du sakna kan khana ni